And I just came back from the gym, so don't judge me. My hair's all freaking crazy right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Low Tech. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let's start off this video with a car wash. Shout out to my boys, Coast Detailing, for coming through, washing the Evo. Evo looking good now. After I washed the Evo, I went to go pick up some tires, finally. Up some brand new tires. Oh, they're pretty much like new. Paid like $250 for these. They're Pirelli P0s. These are pretty expensive tires. They probably go for like $700-800 for the set. I got it for $250 and they're like new. The guy had them for less than 500 miles, so got that. I already have my wheels loaded into the car. Let's get it. Gonna go get these installed. I wasn't able to find any tires from local shops because a lot of stuff was on back order, so it was really hard to get tires. So I ended up going on OfferUp, picked those up for $250. That's crazy. I already got those slapped on. For those of you that don't know, these are Kensei wheels. I got these in 18 by 10 app plus 12 all around, and I went with the 255/35 18-inch tire. Look at that stretch. It's just right, nothing crazy. Oh, I can't wait. Yeah, so I got those slapped on. They're currently sitting in the garage now. I just got to take the car over to Best Tire and adjust the camber and get an alignment. Oh, I went to take the 300 to get diagnosed. So it turns out I need an EFI wiring harness and new fuel injectors, and it should be good to go. I got a compression test on it. Cylinders seem to be reading good, still all over 150, 160. So that's a good sign. So I got to get injectors, wiring harness, and a couple other little things, but it's coming together. I'm super stoked. I can't wait to drive this thing at its full potential. And yeah, I don't know if you guys remember, sometime last year I picked up brake and rotors from R1 Concept for my Tacoma. It's just been sitting in the garage ever since, and I finally got around to getting that done. yeah, slap that on. Looking good now. Brakes well. If you guys are interested in getting R1 stuff, you can probably get it from Zaidi's website. I'm not sure if he still has it, but if he does, you guys can use my promo code from there. But I believe it's only 5%. It's not much, but I mean, it's something. Now continuing the vlog, like 2 weeks later. Sorry about that. This video was supposed to go up like 2 weeks ago, but the original plan was to take it to Best Tire, have him put on the wheels and do all the alignment and the camera adjusting there. But I just found out, or I just realized, or I've been knowing, but I just totally forgot that my tires on the 300 are pretty worn. I think I showed it in the last vlog. I don't remember. If I didn't, then I'll probably show you guys a little later. Tires are pretty old and pretty worn, and they could possibly pop or blow out any second. So I am not trying to risk that long drive, because Best Tire Shop is about 45 to an hour away from me. So I'm not trying to make that drive and risk it. So I'm just gonna end up slapping on the wheels on the 300 and just drive like that with ugly ass fitment until I get over there and do that. Right now I'm on my way to drop off the wheels. I have them in the back of the truck. So I'm just gonna go drop them off, come back, grab the 300, and then possibly wash the 300 before I get there, and then take it there. So yeah, I'll pick it up when I get there. Well, actually, I'll pick it up when I get back to the 300. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, this thing is filthy. God damn. You know what? I'm trying to make you guys all cringe right now. So, since I don't care about this freaking paint job, this is how much I hate it. Fuck this thing. Plan on repainting the car anyways. You probably want to see my beautiful face. Hair's not did, but we Gucci. Alright, got the car all washed up and clean. Don't worry about that. Poorly wiped, no big deal. Car's all clean now. Gotta slap these wheels on. Must be nice. Must be nice. And that's what she's sitting at right now. God, that looks fucking good. Sheesh, I'm fucking happy. That shit looks sick. I seriously can't wait to paint this thing. It looks so good. So yeah, right now all it needs is an alignment and some camber, and I gotta lower the front a little bit more. But yeah, the fitment's pretty tight right now. It rubs a little bit, but once I add some camber, it should be good. Oh, I'm so happy. It looks so good. I think I gotta pull this side a little bit more too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I know I'm not consistent as I used to be with the vlogs. It's just so much has been going on in my life, and I just lost the drive. But I'm trying. I just gotta get my shit together. I've been slacking. Anyways, thank you guys for those though that have been sticking around, and I appreciate all the support that I get from you guys that are still around. I feel like I'm losing a lot of supporters because I'm not consistent with my content, and it's cool. It's totally fine. I understand. I do the same thing, to be honest, but it is what it is. You live and learn. You keep moving forward. Setbacks are set up for a major comeback. So, but if you guys are interested in any like action clutch or BRAUM racing seats and all that, link is down in the description. Teklo F COVID-19 is still active, 50% off. A lot of stuff is sold out already, but if you guys are still interested in getting any of the Teklo merch, is in the description as well. And yeah, thank you guys for all the support. It means a lot to me. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, why you started.